If you're looking for a heavy-duty detergent cleaner that's safe on microchannel coils, then you need the Power. If you're looking for a good degreaser that loosens and flushes grease and grime, then you need the Power. If you need an environmentally friendly cleaner with corrosion inhibitors that protect metal surfaces, then you need the Power. You need Tri-Pow'r HD, the most versatile coil cleaner made by Nu-Calgon. Tri-Pow'r HD's non-toxic, biodegradable formula is perfect for cleaning air-cooled condensers, evaporator coils, permanent filters, fan blades, motors, and other general cleaning purposes. Its versatility and dilution rates, up to 10:1, make it the best cleaner for contractors to have on their trucks. Tri-Pow'r HD's non-foaming formula has a higher pH level than many alkaline-based cleaners, so it cleans well but doesn't harm aluminum, microchannel, or other coils. It also contains corrosion inhibitors to protect all types of metals. Plus, its unique emulsification system offers optimum degreasing capabilities. 3 times the power, all in one convenient bottle. The next time you need to clean coils of any type, get the Power. Tri-Pow'r HD, only from Nu-Calgon.